Feel the love that guides you everywhere. 'Cause with God's mercy you will sense the gift of life there.
Hello, welcome to the Christian world. Mahal ka namin. At lahat ibibigay namin para sa'yo. Maging mabait kang anak. At mabuting bata, wag iyakin.
Lord above prepares for you the way. He accompanies you on your journey no matter what you say.
Hi, baby Sky. Welcome to the Christian world. Dito lang lagi si Ninang. Thank you.
La, 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 la.
Hello anak, masaya kami nabinyagan ka na ngayon at sana lang wish namin lumaki kang mabait at may takot sa Diyos at gagabayan ka ng mga ninong at ninang mo. Yun po. I love you.
See this wonder reflecting your face. God will keep an eye on you, safe and warm with grace. La, la, la.
Hello Sky, wish ko lang maging malakas at maging matalinong bata ka paglaki mo. Yun lang.
La, 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 la.
Nak, happy baptismal. Love ka ni Ninang, tsaka yung inyong mother, love ko. Bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ni God at maging mabuting anak ka sa iyong nanay at tatay. Love you.
Grown up hands embrace you safe and calm. Grown up hearts will always keep you warm. Our love will forever be with you. You are with us for all the time, even when you're gone your own way.
Happy christening, Sky. Love you and wish you good health.
La, la,